Hi friend, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you're well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to remove background color of text box in Outlook. So let's started. At first, open your Outlook document. Firstly, remove background color is click the text box and click the mouse right button and click for the drawing option. Read drawing. Then click the text box option and click for the shape option and click for the shape fill option. Then we click the no fill option. That's okay. And click for the save and close. That's okay. Then issue the remove text background color of text box. Is very easy. I hope you enjoyed the busy video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.